Pedro from Autotech Engineering. We've got a brand spanking new 2019 model 200 series VX Land Cruiser here. Basically this car's come in total standard form, untouched, with just on 3,000 kilometres. This is the first vehicle with the new Uni-X fitted to it in terms of 200 series Land Cruisers here in Sydney. Probably one of the first in Australia that's been driven out with a new Uni-X Uni-chip. So basically this car came in standard with around about 117 kilowatts at the wheels, and it's ended up, after complete tuning, it's ended up with 144.4. Now, I'd like to stress on this car, that figure is relatively low considering what they normally do standard. These normally start at about 125 to 130 standard and end up with about 150 to 160 at the wheels after the tune. The customer's doing some outback driving with this particular vehicle, and he's got some really big and tall and knobby tyres fitted to it, so that's the reason why these power figures are a little bit lower than standard. We've also fitted the multiple map switch to it, so we've given him 5 tunes. Tune 1 being his high power. Tune 2, we've got a nice towing map in there because he's going to pull a caravan around, so it'll be a perfect map for him to tow reliably and consistently without any issues at all around Australia. Map 3 is our fuel economy map, and then we've got a standard map, which I like to call the reminder map. So when people sort of think, oh geez, doesn't feel as good, it doesn't feel as good as it was 2-3 months ago, just put it back to map 4. And map 4, you'll soon realise that the car is a lot better in map 1 or map 2. And map 5, we've set up this particular vehicle with a valet map, so he can let the car idle down after he's been towing and flick it onto map 5. No one can drive off with the car. All map 5 is basically a throttle limit, so it won't allow the car to accelerate or even move off the spot. So if you've got any kind of Land Cruiser or a 70 series, right through to your 200 series, give us a call here at Autotech Engineering and see what we could do here for you.